Do you want to open a US bank account, but you are a non-resident and non-citizen of the United States? This tutorial will guide you step by step to the best option to easily open a USA bank account. There are many reasons why one may want to open a bank account in the United States as a non-resident and non-citizen. You may want to reduce bank and card fees when you spending money in the country, or even more common, if you work online and you want to receive payments from US-based companies. So how do you open a US bank account? In the past it hasn't always been that easy, but now it is very simple, and here is the tutorial that will guide you step by step through the process. Step 1. Click the link in the description of this video. You will be redirected with a special access to Zenas. Zenas is the first USA bank for global users and anyone in the world. With the link in description, you get a special access with the possibility to earn exclusive bonuses, up to $1,200 worth price. Step 2. Insert your email to join the waiting list. This new revolutionary service is launching early 2021. By being the first to join, and with the access of the link in the description, you can be eligible for earning your exclusive bonuses, so don't miss this opportunity. Step 3. Verify your email. After you join the waiting list with the link in the description of this video, all you have to do is to confirm your email address with the email you will receive from Zenas. Then follow the further instructions. As already featured by many famous brands and institutions, Zenas is convenient. You can easily open a US bank account from home, and you sit anywhere in the world. It is advanced, thanks to award-winning digital banking technology, accessible via web, mobile, tablet and debit card. And it is private and secure. Strong US banking regulations guarantee complete confidentiality for international clients. Wondering why Zenas is different? Zenas is solving a key financial inclusion challenge by removing geopolitical barriers to help people get ahead. They are working hard to give people in emerging economies an alternative to using local traditional banks by offering a new, transparent, digital banking experience on par with leading banks of the world. Zenas is a mobile-first digital bank incorporating a completely remote account opening process into iOS, Android and web applications. To simplify the process for users, most clients will be able to start the bank account application and receive a digital Visa/MasterCard debit card within 15 minutes. Approved clients will be able to fund their account instantly using eligible Visa cards, plus receive wire transfer instructions to their new US bank account. The uniqueness of Zenas Bank is its ability to standardize its products, services, and user experience to any member regardless of their residence or nationality. They want to help millions of people become more financially secure, resilient, confident, and independent. Click the link in the description of this video to reserve your spot in the waiting list and access now to exclusive bonuses.